Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix if you're experiencing issues with Valorant agent voice lines not working. So you can try the following troubleshooting steps. First one is to check the audio settings in Valorant. Make sure that the voice audio settings in Valorant are correctly configured. So go to the settings menu and then in Valorant and navigate to the audio tab. So ensure that the voice chat option is enabled and adjust the volume sliders for voice chat and agent voice lines as necessary. Next one is to check in-game key bindings. So verify that the key bindings for agent voice lines are set correctly, because sometimes the default key binds might be changed inadvertently. Go to the settings menu in Valorant, select the control tabs and locate the key bindings for agent voice lines. So if needed, reset them to the default settings. Next one is to restart Valorant on your PC. Sometimes the issue can be resolved by simply restarting the game. So close Valorant completely, then reopen it. Additionally, if you haven't already, try restarting your computer, as this can sometimes fix audio-related problems. Next one is to update audio drivers. So ensure that your audio drivers are up to date, because outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause various audio issues in games, including voice lines not working. So visit the manufacturer's website for audio device and download the latest drivers for your operating system. Next is to check Windows audio settings. So verify Windows audio settings. So verify that your Windows audio settings are configured correctly. So right-click on the speaker icon on the Windows taskbar, then select on the Open Sound Settings, and then check the output and input devices. Make sure your preferred audio devices are selected as the default. Next one is to verify game files. So if there's a problem with the game files, it might lead to audio issues. Launch the Riot client, which handles the game if the game updates and launching processes. So click on the gear icon at the top right and choose check for updates. So this will verify the integrity of the game files and potentially fix any corrupted data. Last one is to contact Riot support. So if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it is possible that there might be bug or more specific problem with your setup. So in that case, reach out to Riot Game support team for further assistance. You can submit a support ticket through Valorant website. Remember that the Valorant's interface and options might involve with updates, so it's always a good idea to check the latest information and patch notes from the official sources in case there are any specific instructions or known issues related to the agent voice lines. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.